So it's about how we're gonna take out these programs, look at them, start eliminating or replacing with new ones according to who we're becoming and creating a life we want. As I said, it's not an easy process, but it is a process that if we take choice to look into it, it can really liberate us. With help, support, it's easier, but if somebody does not want that, I think it's possible everyone to do it themselves if they want to,
What
step
I
by
love,
step.
what I love the most is that you say that every of your clients is a success story. That gives a new perspective.
Hold on.
Okay.
Everyone. It sounds like I'm very, wow, like
No, no,
every
no.
success story. But trust me, not everyone is a success story. No, no, no. I want to correct you there. Not
No, no, no.
everyone is.
I think I understand what you mean. What I find beautiful is that you consider it a success
Yeah,
story because for that person
we
it might
can.
have been a lot of effort until
Yes,
they
yes.
found the courage to reach out to you.